Victoria Attorney started 10 years ago. By this year, we are going to attend our 10 years anniversary. We have been very good in terms of corporate commercial law, in terms of land law, mega inquisition and the other practice area which Victoria Attorney do offer. But we have seen that most of our clients, they also now prefer to have a kind of tax service which is inclusive or combined with corporate commercial service. The reason why we decided to also to have full-fledged tax department is the fact that it's a cry from our clients, the fact that they like our service and they want, of course, the same quality of service to be offered in terms of tax. And that's why we say that it's important to have a practitioner who is experienced in the market and who has the same skill set which we prefer here at Victoria Attorney. We'll be offering tax services, but also financial, regulatory and advisory. I think we've seen that the President of United Republic of Tanzania has made it clear that for the coming years, the country will also depend on the Internal Revenue Commission. But also you have seen there's a special committee which has been formed by the President, in which of course we expect the report to be out very soon. But we think that coming this year and the next years to come, there will be a lot of compliance when it comes to tax compliance. And we think it's a good opportunity to go together with our clients. The service which they've been enjoying in terms of legal service, we think it's also nice for them now to be assured that they'll get the same quality of service when it comes to tax advisory and financial advisory. What we see in Benedict Komba is an AA player like us, but also we think and we have seen that his work ethics and culture, they do also align with our culture at Victoria Attorneys in terms of being aggressive, sharpness in offering to client service, good communication skills. And we believe that his passion, energy, and a good brain, of course, will bring the same quality of service which we've been doing for our clients when it comes to tax advisory. As Benjamin Franklin say, there are two certain things in this world, which is death and tax. The President has made it clear that everyone has to pay tax, every corporation has to pay tax. You can see the move whereby the government is also trying to strengthen the capacity of Tanzania Revenue Authority. So the fact that we also offer legal service, we think that this is very relevant because the moment you cooperate your entity or the moment you are in Tanzania, you're also supposed to comply with tax laws. And that's the reason why we've decided to have a special department whereby all tax matters, all financial issues can be dealt in that department. However, the way we are operating as Victoria Attorney, we are going to combine the same, to blend them, because we do have other corporate lawyers here in Victoria who are having financial background. But the fact that we are going to have a special person who will be dedicated to tax compliance and advisory, we think that is very relevant at this time. Apart from the fact that we have local clients and individual clients, but we, of course, it's one among the leading firms which we do have a lot of clients from abroad. So normally when they reach to us in terms of legal advisory, they also prefer to know the context of the country in terms of tax and financial regulation and other issues. So we think this is also going to be a very relevant department to our global clients. As attorney, despite being local firm, but we provide an international standard service, and even our outlook is global. And that's the reason why, of course, we think this department is going to be very relevant to our global clients.